Someone asked, "What does the micro world look like?" Someone wonders, "What is life?" Some inquires, "What is the origin of the universe?" All of this can be answered with quantum precision measurement technology. It is the eyes for scientific researchers. We can see the structure of molecule. We can probe the rhythm of brain. We can see the traces of dark matter. We are the pioneer and leader of quantum precision measurement technology. We are Ciqtek. We are witnessing major changes unfolding in our world, unseen in a century. The second quantum revolution is fostering inestimable potential and values. We painstaking research and development of quantum technology with great concentration and deepened industry applications. Harnessing the quantum superposition and entanglement to make computation faster and to make measurement more accurate. We have ventured out in the uncharted zone of technology innovation with world-cutting-edge apparatus and resolution to self-reliance, to help scientific researchers gain insight and to open up a new perspective of human cognition. We are consistently striding at the forefront of national high-end instrument industrialization, empowering the innovation and development of all walks with technology. We are proactively promoting the education course of quantum science to develop. We make pedagogical quantum computing available for public and has successfully delivered to 100 prestigious educational institutions in either science and industry domain. Our technology accomplished any high sensitivity for metrology and measurement demand in various scenarios and different industry sectors. In achieving higher resolution precision, we never stop exceeding and keep pushing the envelope to make the impossible possible in sensing the reality. We satisfy customers with the utmost sincerity and integrity, offering a ruler for scientific researchers to measure the world, venture into the nanoscale realm, unearth the in-depth mechanism, assist experts and scholars in chemistry, materials, environment, and other fields to bravely scale the heights of science and technology. We have integrated Nitrogen Vacancy Center and AFM scanning imaging technology to develop new tools for studying novel materials. With a super high spatial resolution nanoscale and ultra-sensitivity of a single span. Our self-developed high-performance scanning electron microscope can be used to observe nanoscale microstructures, with a considerable application on material research, circuit fabrication, aviation and aerospace, automobile manufacturing, failure analysis, and R&D experiment. Our products stem from bleeding quantum measurement and fueled by our strong engineering capabilities. We develop a portfolio of various measurement and control systems and offer customized solutions for various industries including quantum computation, semiconductor, photovoltaic, and industrial automation control. We are actively deploying quantum logging and digital rock core business, which can be used for geological evaluation of oil and gas fields and combustible ice drilling processes, improve drilling efficiency and reservoir productivity, to provide a scientific basis for the efficient development of oil and gas fields, jointly promote the application of quantum technology in geophysical exploration. We develop real-time tracking of tumor cell, monitor the regional in vivo temperature change of living cells, and provide instant feedback the biological condition of the cell. Pay attention to the humanity life and health. Realize early diagnosis of diseases and real-time monitoring of curative effects. To promote the national campaign of developing quantum information discipline, we have combined quantum theory and experiment to consistently optimize our education system for quantum science. Tackle the challenge of nurturing talents. We are providing not only products, but more importantly, our services. Here's the arena for creating disruptive products. Here's the salon for progressives. This is a young and creative team. This is a group striving with our customers in wheel and wool, forge ahead in order to become a global leader in the application of quantum technology in the scientific instrument industry. We rooted in China and spread globally, with products delivered to all walks all over the world, to help customers to more complicated challenges, target the global science frontiers, serve the main economic battlefield, strive to fulfill the significant needs of the country, benefit people's lives and health. We adhere to the innovation-driven and craftsman spirit in producing a spectrum of scientific apparatus that boost advancement in industry, and establish an industrial cluster and aggregation of leading apparatus centered on quantum measurement devices. Continue to provide high-quality services. Together with scientific researchers around the world, we create a more efficient and healthier future for human beings. Ciqtek, fueled the world in a quantum way.